Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Guitar for Beginners. And today we'll be learning how to play Despacito on the guitar. So I'll play it for you guys, and yeah. So yeah, that's how you play it, and we'll be looking at it in uh, two different chunks, two different chunks. We'll be splitting it into halves and figure out how to play it. So let's figure out how to play it. So to figure out how to play it, we're gonna start off by just a quick not a lot of people like a quick little thing about not a lot of people know that stuff on the guitar and what it's really used for. So to really understand how to play Despacito and other songs like this, you gotta be able to know what your guitar does. For example, these this stuff right here, this is called a twisty. They call it a sound twisty, and it you use it to you just twist it, and it makes your guitar sound better. You just ask it which one you want it to sound like, and it'll do it. And then in here, it's like a storage for stuff that you want to keep stuff in. So you know, we got all kinds of cool stuff in here. You know, we got like so cool pair of shades. You know, we rock it and everything. But it's really, the guitar is really more than just that. It's how you feel connected to the guitar is how you're gonna know how to play well on the guitar. Now we're gonna want to learn how to play it, Despacito, and so you're gonna want to put your fingers on it, and you're gonna really want to finger the guitar, kind of like how my therapist does it, except we're gonna be gentle. So it's pretty different, and you're just gonna kind of move it around until you feel you're gonna hear the note, and you're gonna know which one it is, you know. So just kind of move with this finger, just kind of pull at it, you know, like just like a little bit, and then with this hand you just kind of move it around, and like, yeah, so you'll know like oh shit, the next part of the song is pretty different actually, and you'll be using chords to actually play. So we're going. So thanks guys for watching how to play Guitar for Beginners. Make sure you tune in next week, and we can please comment below which songs I should play and teach everyone how to play for later. So thanks guys for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.